Here's another reason I really like drawing digitally and that it's improved my game. Here's something, I got this guy, I've got his body kind of the way I want it. He's gonna be floating in midair, making making storms do those things that they do. I've got the drawing on this layer here. I'm gonna bring the opacity of that layer back to about 20%, bring a different color layer, and I've got this all in my sketch folder here. And you'll notice there's a little blue pencil there. That means that everything over there, anything in this folder, is going to be a draft layer. And when I output the final, it's going to disappear. So I don't have to worry about the even erasing or turning a layer off. I'm just covered. So now I've got, without messing up this perfectly nice illustration of this guy's body, I'm going to go through and say, okay, what would he look like with a helmet? Like a ancient warrior type helmet. That actually has a little appeal. I like that. And I'll go through and I'll do the rest of his costume based on, and then not only that, but I can do the rest of his costume, change it around, give him different looks, all that kind of stuff. Give him a little chest plate here, give him everything that he needs. And if I screw up, I can just go and erase from that layer, and I haven't screwed up his underdrawing. I haven't screwed up his body that I took such a long time to try to get right.
Hey, this is Brad. Make sure you like that video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see future live stream chats. If you'd like to be part of the next live stream chat as it's happening, you can become a Patreon backer at patreon.com/Guigar. And if you'd like to hear me talking even more about comics and making a living from comics, I'm joined by my good friend Dave Kellett every week on the Comic Lab podcast. That's available any place you get your podcasts. Also, check out webcomics.com. That's a site I've been doing for nearly 10 years now with news, tutorials, information, and advice for the working web cartoonists. And don't forget, you can pick up my book, The Webcomics Handbook, at amazon.com. Thanks again, and I hope you're having a great day.